morning. Here we are again in this beautiful place with the birds, of course, and we have a real group here. We have about 6 birds, 6 or 7 birds together. Okay, so we're gonna be filming and flying and showing you guys a little bit about how we're dealing, how we're traveling, how was getting this place with birds, which is not easy. But today is gonna be our first day. Amazing, actually. She flew maybe for more than 1 minute. Yeah, girl. She actually did really good with the winter. And like I said before, below 40s.
Vicky probably had the most growth here, but we challenged both of these guys this trip.
Yeah, Vicky out at Wilson Arch took like a 10-minute flight. It was probably 5, but it felt like an hour and a half.
It felt like forever.
Everybody came in and we're waiting like 5 minutes. We're like, okay, well, we don't see or hear Vicky. And way across the valley, we see her just a little flutter by the house.
Like a little white butterfly. And like, that's her.
And she kind of got, I think she got stuck in the wind a little bit.
But she overcame and conquered, and she came back, and that was the best.
That's the best.
That was the best moment. It was probably my favorite day of all the days. Was Wilson Arch. That was my favorite. After we
rescued her,
The rescue, she did great. She did great. She came in.
Yeah, no, it was awesome. And then Sunshine, oh my gosh, she's just taken every single location by storm. She's been amazing.
Yeah.
Stamina, she's kept up with everyone.
She kept up with ours, no problem.
Yeah.
I'm so glad that she got over with the aggressivity that she was in the beginning against Peggy.
Yeah.
And I think she finally got over.
Every day got better.
Yes, yes. It was a challenging, and yeah, she got better, and she did. The highest location, that's freaks me out a little bit.
She's okay. Yay! She did great. She's a rock star.
I know I say this every time, but I love seeing how far you've come in like the last year with her. You know, starting from you couldn't get her off your shoulder, like the whole story to what she's doing now. It's incredible. It's incredible.
It is. It is a dream coming true. See Sunshine and Flyer over there. I just like, maybe she's not ready yet. Well, I'm not ready yet.
She's awesome. They're both awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So what do you guys think? You think Vicky make it level 2, 3? What do you think about this little girl?
She went up to the hike. She was like 3, 4.
It's a 4.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Hey, baby.
She proved herself at Wilson.
Yeah! Oh, we did definitely get a blast here. So it's so nice to have here you guys here, and you. Oh my God! Yeah, you're growing a family here.
Heck yeah!
Absolutely.
No more birds, though.
No more birds. No more birds. Sunshine.
Vicky! How do I look? Do I still look okay?
Perfect.
day. Yeah, enjoy your last day. Sunlight, Sunshine. Is that right? Yeah, Sunshine is. She's happy. You want to do the la la la? What about? Huh? 1, 2, 3. That's a super girl. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. La 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 la. Huh? You want to do the la la la? She doesn't want to do the la la la. So la la la. Ah, she did the la la la. That's good. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy your video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. Okay? Thank you for watching. La 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 la.